Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to discuss about reshape and resize function in NumPy array. So first of all, let's understand the reshape function, how it works, what parameters it will take and what will give output. So first of all, by using of help function, let's understand reshape function. So what is the syntax of reshape? Reshape syntax is a array to be reshaped, new shape, what we want in our new array, order equal to C, F or A. What do you mean by C and F? C means row wise it will arrange the data, like horizontally it will arrange the data. We will see in example, like we have total 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will arrange horizontally 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we will get a reshaped array. If we are giving an order equal to F, it will arrange vertically or column wise, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. In this way, order is working in reshape function. And in new shape, what will be the new shape we have to given? So new shape will be a multiple of particular given array. So if size of the array is 10, then new shape will be a multiple of 10, like 5 cross 2, 2 cross 5, 10 cross 1 or 1 cross 10. If new shape will be not a multiple of given array, then it will give an error. So we will see by using of example. And what will reshaped array return? It will return an array only but with a reshape. So let's understand by using of one example, like a equal to np dot arrange. Arrange function is used to create a array. Sorry, my mistake. Okay, there are total 12 values from 0 to 11. Now let's reshape it. So in if you want to check the syntax of reshape, you can press shift tab and you can check. Okay, here you can check, like first of all we have to given array, like here is a comma, after that what shape we have to given in tuple. So there are total 12 elements. We can give 4 cross 3, 3 cross 4, 12 cross 1, 1 cross 12, 3 cross 4. So let's give 4 comma 3 and let's print b. Okay, here you can see, like there are total 4 rows and 3 columns, as we have reshaped the given array. At initial, if you want to find out the initial shape, I already discussed about this in attributes of in NumPy array. Yeah, there are like 12, means there are 12 values, or shape is 12 columns available in particular array. So it will arrange into 4 cross 3. It will take 4 rows and 3 columns. We haven't mentioned an order yet, so it will take row wise, means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Let's understand, or let's change the order and find what will be the change in new array. np dot reshape particular array, new shape will be given in the form of tuple, and order equal to, we have to give f. Now print b. So here you can see like it is taking value vertically, like column wise, 0 1 2 3. This is the ending of row, so it will give into second column, then after the third column. In this way order works in reshape function. If in some cases we are not knowing the column number or specific column number, we don't have any specific column number. So what we have to do in certain cases. So let's understand that also. np dot reshape, we want to change a comma 4 comma -1. Okay, so here we mentioned -1. -1 means it will automatically arrange the column size. So we don't need to specify column size inside a reshape function. If we put -1 in row, it -1 comma 4, so it will arrange accordingly in particular column and rows. So what is the use of -1 in reshape function? So -1 is used to automatically arrange the array in specific column. That is the use of reshape function. Now that's all about reshape function. Now quickly move towards the resize function. So first of all, let's take help of resize function. Okay, so what is the syntax of resize function? Resize take parameters a is the given array, or what array to be resized is given into a parameters, and the new shape, what is the shape of resized array we want? It can be a tuple or int. What will return resize function? It will return an new array with from the data in the old array. So here we can check by using of one example. Like let's create, or already created, we have created like a array, and if we want to resize it, let's c equal to np dot resize. If you want to know the syntax, press shift tab. Here we have to give like a is our given array, and if you want to give value, like there are 12 values, and if you want to get the values in like we want 7 rows and 6 column. Let's see. In resize function we can find that we have given 7 rows and 6 columns, so it will arrange accordingly. If there is no value available, it will give as a 0, like here you can say, or it will repeat 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. We have only 12 values up to 0 to 11, but it will repeat again and again, and it will create 7 rows and 6 column. In this way, if there is no value available, if there are less data, then it will take as a 0. If we have lots of data, but it will if we want to create more rows and more columns, it will repeat that value again and again. In this way resize function works. Like here you can say example is given like 0 1 2 3. It's 2 rows and 2 column. We want 2 rows and 3 columns, so it will arrange accordingly 1 2 3 0, and it will give 1 0 extra. In this way it will works resize function. So specific range or specific shape of an array we can given in resize function. So what is the difference between reshape and the resize function is in reshape function, we can only give the new shape as multiple of given array. But in resize function, we can give a shape, specific shape for a particular given array. That is the main difference between resize and the reshape. That's all for today. Stay safe and keep learning. Thank you very much.